Hey, what's up everyone, Sean here, and welcome to another new video with more random facts. And today we're going to be doing a bunch of new random facts about rain. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go. Alright, and again, once again, I might mess up pronunciations or whatever spelling, so I'll go slower, when I need to, but here we go. Alright, rain. Rain forms when water vapor condenses into droplets. Rain is part of the water cycle. Not all clouds produce rain. Raindrops are not teardrop shaped. Small raindrops are nearly spherical. Larger raindrops flatten as they fall. Most raindrops are between 0.5 and 4 millimeters wide. Rain begins as a microscopic cloud droplets. Water, excuse me. Water vapor is invisible. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Rainfall is measured using a rain gauge. Rain can occur even when the sun is shining. A sun shower is rain that falls while the sun is visible. The smell after rain is called petrichor, P-E-T-R-I-C-H-O-R, petrichor. Petrichor, in pronunciation, comes partly from oils released by plants. Soil bacteria contribute to the smell of rain. Rain helps refill rivers and lakes. Rain recharges groundwater supplies. Fresh water on Earth depends heavily on rainfall. Rain nourishes crops. Too much rain can cause flooding. Too little rain can lead to drought. Rain can help cool the air. Rain often forms along weather fronts. Warm air can hold more moisture than cold air. Some of these are pretty obvious, but still interesting. Tropical regions receive some of the heaviest rainfall. Deserts receive very little rain, obviously. Antarctica is technically a desert because it gets little precipitation. Interesting. Some rain begins as snow high in the atmosphere. Snow can melt into rain before reaching the ground. Rain can be light, moderate, or heavy, obviously. Rainfall intensity is measured in millimeters per hour. Thunderstorms often produce intense rain. Rain can reduce visibility for drivers. So obvious, duh. Rainbows are caused by sunlight interacting with raindrops. A rainbow requires sunlight and rain simultaneously. Double rainbows occur when light reflects twice inside droplets. Rainbows always appear opposite the sun. Every observer sees a slightly different rainbow. Rain can carry dust particles to the ground. Rain helps clean pollutants from the air. Acid rain is more acidic than normal rain. Acid rain can damage ecosystems. Normal rain is slightly acidic. Carbon dioxide naturally dissolves into rainwater. Raindrops fall at different speeds depending on size. Large raindrops fall faster than small ones. Terminal velocity limits how fast raindrops can fall. Raindrops can break apart during descent. Rainfall patterns influence ecosystems. Rainforests receive abundant precipitation. Some of these are repeats now. The word monsoon refers to seasonal wind patterns. Monsoons often bring heavy rain. Some storms can dump months' worth of rain in days. Rain is essential for most terrestrial life. Plants absorb rainwater through their roots. Rainwater can collect in natural reservoirs. Rain contributes to erosion. Rivers are shaped partially by rainfall. Rain can trigger landslides. Heavy rain may cause mudslides. Some regions have rainy seasons, obviously. These are all from Google, by the way, so some of them are very basic, but other regions have relatively even rainfall year-round. Cloud seeding attempts to enhance rainfall. I read that right? Cloud seeding attempts to enhance rainfall. Yeah, I did. Cloud seeding is not guaranteed to work. I don't know what cloud seeding is. If you know what cloud seeding is, let me know in the comments. Rain can affect animal behavior, including humans, I think. Frogs become more active during rain. Earthworms often emerge after rainfall. Some insects time activities around rain events. Rainwater is usually fresh water. Rain starts with evaporation from oceans, lakes, and rivers. Oceans provide most atmospheric water vapor. The atmosphere contains a small fraction of Earth's water. Rain can fall at any time of the year. Yeah, makes sense. Winter rain can freeze on contact, snow basically. Freezing rain creates dangerous ice coatings. Freezing rain differs from sleet. Excuse me. Sleet consists of frozen pellets. Hail forms in strong thunderstorm updrafts. Rain can be measured by weather radar. Okay. Doppler radar helps track precipitation. Satellites can monitor rainfall globally. Rainfall forecasts have improved with technology. Okay. Not all forecasted rain reaches the ground. Virga, V-I-R-G-A, virga is precipitation that evaporates before landing. Virga is common in dry climates. Rain can produce soothing sounds, like the one I put on the background. Many people find rain relaxing while I use it in the background again. White noise recordings often feature rainfall sounds. These are not really facts. I mean, they are, but they're just kind of dumb. Rain can influence mood. Rainy weather may reduce outdoor activity. Some cultures celebrate the arrival of rain. Rain dances exist in various traditions. Ancient civilizations depended heavily on seasonal rains. Agriculture often relies on predictable rainfall. Irrigation helps supplement insufficient rain. Rainwater harvesting collects precipitation for use. Collected rainwater can be used for gardening. Rain barrels store runoff from roofs. The wettest places on Earth receive hundreds of inches of rain annually. Some locations can go years without measurable rain. Desert rainstorms can cause flash floods. Dry soil may absorb water poorly after long droughts. Interesting. Rainfall affects water quality. Stormwater runoff can carry pollutants. Urban areas often increase runoff. Concrete prevents water from soaking into soil. Rain gardens help manage stormwater. Wetlands help absorb excess rainfall. Rain clouds are often darker because they are denser and thicker. Sorry, some of these are really obvious ones, but they are facts. Thick clouds block more sunlight. Rainfall can lower wildfire risk. Lightning can also start wildfires. Rain can wash pollen from the air. This may temporarily reduce allergy symptoms. Didn't know that. Rain can increase humidity, like in Florida or tropical areas. Humidity affects how hot or cold air feels. Tropical storms bring heavy rain. Hurricanes often cause flooding through rainfall. Yep. Rain contributes to glacier growth in some regions. Didn't know that. Mountain ranges affect rainfall patterns. Windward mountain slopes are often wetter. Leeward slopes may lie in rain shadows. Rain shadows create dry regions. I'll do a few more here. The atmosphere can transport moisture long distances. Atmospheric rivers carry vast amounts of water vapor. Atmospheric rivers can cause major rain events. Rainfall helps regulate ecosystems. Many species depend on seasonal rains. Some seeds germinate only after rainfall. Rain can activate dormant life forms. Certain desert plants bloom after rare rains. Rainfall influences migration patterns. Some fish spawn during rainy seasons. Can't read tonight. Rain can alter river levels rapidly. Reservoir levels often depend on rainfall. Hydroelectric power relies on water availability. Rainfall influences drinking water supplies. Climate affects regional precipitation patterns. Warmer air can intensify some rainfall events. Extreme precipitation events are studied by climatologists. Rain gauges have existed for centuries. Didn't know that. Ancient civilizations recorded rainfall. Rain is one of the most common weather phenomena. Billions of tons of rain fall globally every day. Rainwater can dissolve minerals from rocks. This process contributes to weathering. Rain shapes landscapes over long periods. Caves can form partly through rainwater erosion. Raindrops can splash soil particles into the air. Rainfall helps transport nutrients through ecosystems. Some animals drink directly from the rain puddles. You know. Rain-fed agriculture covers large areas worldwide. Tropical rainforests help generate local rainfall. Trees release water vapor through transpiration. Okay, never heard of that. Forests influence regional weather patterns. Rain often follows rising air motion. Rising air cools and condenses moisture. Condensation releases heat into the atmosphere. Rain can occur from stratiform clouds. Rain can also occur from Rain can also occur from cumulonimbus clouds. Man. Cumulonimbus clouds produce thunderstorms. Nimbostratus clouds commonly bring steady rain. Rainfall can vary dramatically over short distances. One neighborhood may receive rain while another stays dry. Okay. Local terrain affects rainfall distribution. Sea breezes can trigger rain near coasts. Afternoon heating can trigger summer rainstorms. Tropical islands often have rainy mountain interiors. The largest raindrops are unstable. Extremely large droplets tend to break apart. Rain may contain microscopic particles from the atmosphere. Dust can help droplets form. And then these particles are called cloud condensation nuclei. And we'll finish it up here. Volcanic eruptions can affect rainfall patterns. Aerosols influence cloud formation. Rain can create distinctive scents in forests. Fresh rainwater often has very low mineral content. Rain can create temporary ponds. Some amphibians breed in temporary rain ponds. Some amphibians breed in temporary rain pools. Rain can refill aquifers over time. Rainfall records help scientists study climate. Tree rings can reveal past rainfall patterns. Lake sediments preserve evidence of ancient rain cycles. Ice cores contain clues about historical precipitation. Some regions depend almost entirely on seasonal rains. Rainfall can influence food prices through crop yields. Floods caused by rain are among the most common natural disasters. Rain forecasting remains challenging. No kidding. Tiny changes in atmospheric conditions affect rainfall, and we'll do a few more and we'll finish it up here. Rain has inspired countless songs and poems. Yeah. Oh boy, that's funny. Many languages have multiple words for different kinds of rain. Rain sounds differ depending on the surface it hits. Yep. Rain on leaves sounds different from rain on metal. A single storm can produce millions of raindrops. Rain connects the atmosphere, land, and oceans. Every drop of rain has been part of Earth's water cycle. Without rain, most land ecosystems would not survive. And the water falling as rain today may once have been in the ocean, glacier, cloud, river, dinosaur, or other things. It's crazy. Okay. So, sorry for all the mess ups on there. Some of these were hard to pronounce, hard to read, as you can tell. But hope you enjoyed this random facts about rain. If you did, give it a thumbs up for the video. And as always, subscribe for more just random facts about everything in life. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next one.